Hey everybody, some clients and friends have asked me, and actually have asked me for a long time, oh my god, there's a deer in my backyard. Wow. Um, how to layer necklaces, because I usually have gobs of necklaces on and people ask me, so I thought I would do a little tutorial about how to layer necklaces. So I usually do maybe like 3 to 5, and I just play, I kind of think about what outfit I'm kind of conjuring up for the day. And then I sort of pick one piece, like, okay, I like this piece. And I just start layering. And I love to use, so this is more, I don't know, it's not, it's lovely, but it's not fancy. But then I love to mix like something like a vintage jet necklace in with it, and then take something that's a different length and sort of play with that. And so I take it like 3 times, and I like to kind of get it up high, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, so you're kind of playing with, some visual looks of layering. Deer is still, oh, there's 2 now. Cute. They're probably going to come eat things in my garden. And then I'm missing a little something here. So then I'm going to put a big piece of this gorgeous squash blossom. Oh yeah, they are right there going to eat. Oh, there's 3. Cute, cute. I probably get this over my head. So let me see if I can get it over my head. Yes, it's stuck in my hair. So then that, to me, sort of completes it. Probably unbutton this. Voila. Maybe I do need something right there. Yeah, I would put something here. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, but it looks like a lot of layering, which I love. So if this is too much for you, I guess you could take off this. Or you would just wear 2. Probably 2 if that's too much. But I say, I don't know, the more the merrier. I'm not the Chanel quote, which is, what is it? Something about take one thing off before you leave the house, which is not me. So I hope that was helpful. I'm also going to do some tutorials on bracelet layering, scarf layering, and I'm going to do I do tons of layers because I'm always cold. For like, I put a vest on, then a coat, then a shawl. Oh my god, I'm not kidding you. The deer just is hi 2 feet away. Hi dear. Anyway, I hope that was fun. I hope that was helpful, and yeah, stay tuned for more.